Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba kajela Conrad ke sangma ulaong bakajing Pynbeit put hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat Assam ka Kham Jyrwit Jyrwat hakanika wat ka baar namar kajing long jong ki jaka bat kajing keren banla ban Pynbeit kadang beteng ha ka bakajing kendu hapdeng ki ar Menteri Rangba kala bandan biang ha urisau Mynta usnam araja arpusau ya kani lapen pau do Menteri Rangba habakinong thok khubor ki labu jingkali halor kajing bomla banyak Thrang kajing keren Pynbeit put hakawat ka baar haki Hynrei tadi ki jaka ki badang day ban Pynbeit put Conrad ulaong baka sorkar kadon kajing Thrang ban Pynbeit put kumbala le hakawat ka baningkong Hynrei Hynrei tadi ki jaka ki badang day ban Pyndap hakani kawat baar ban Pynbeit put Kham Jyrwit Jyrwat namar kajing long ki jaka Kham tam kum kalangpi siar khanduli block 1 bat block 2 habakali lano kajing kendu hapdeng ki ar Menteri Rangba akan long biang Conrad ulaong bala antat bala kumno kajing kendu ki ar Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya bat Assam kalak banlong ha urisau Mynta usnam ulaong badang shen hakawe ni kajing kendu ulay keren bat Menteri Rangba ka Assam Himanta biswa sarma hak balayok ban pen kenmau mar kaliang halor kajiran kam banyak kendu biang nak benta banyak keren ya kamat Pynbeit put.
I had a dinner meeting with Honorable Chief Minister of Assam about 3 weeks or about a month back. It was of a casual dinner, of course, nothing official. We had discussed all the matters, and we both decided that at the earliest, I expect that maybe in the month of October, we should be able to have this next round. Things are complex, as I said, because these are very, very sensitive areas. So we will see how we will move forward. But we have decided that at that time we mentioned that within 2 months we will try to meet. So I expect that maybe in the month of October we should be able to meet. But I'll give the exact time and date to all of you when as it is defined.
Supplementary to it?
No supplementary allowed.
No, just one second. There's a narrative where the government.
It's actually the second phase is much more complicated, and therefore and it's very sensitive, and hence whatever we do and however we move forward in things, we need to be very careful. So that's the reason why in the first phase we looked at I shouldn't say low-hanging fruits, but the areas which we found were slightly more solvable in nature. So therefore we are being sensitive and careful as we move forward. Locations like Langpi, locations like PCR, Khanduli, Block 1, Block 2, we understand that they have got a lot of complications. So it's not as simple as the first one. And therefore, though our desire and our intention is as firm as before, but because of the sensitivity of the situation and locations, we really want to be careful as we move forward, so that we are able to resolve it in the proper ways and in a way in which we are able to create the right consensus.